IBS is it's a young company. Actually, even the headquarters is established in 1997. In Japan, the East Asia is 2006. So one is IBS is a growing company. It's not like a big IT company already. There's a culture exists. The IBS is we can create the new culture. That's the most exciting things, I think. Then also growing and the focus for specific market. So very kind of simple. The not general IT company. So I think then at the same time also we are the multinational company. So even the Japan office, Korea office, the people can work with sometimes people in India, sometimes people in US or UK or the customer might be regional, but we have a big opportunity to work with global people and provide the best solution to the customer. So IBS has lots of opportunity for the young people to show the value and the share the growth of the company.